Hello, myself Hamil Patel. Today we're gonna show you how to build a no-code AI voice agents which work for the all the industries, like for the real estate, for the healthcare industry, or for the e-commerce store, or any other business website. Test how it's work. I am sending hi message, so it's replying me within a few seconds. Hello again. How can I assist you today? You have any question? So first I asking like what is your contact email, so it's replying very instantly. So check that, it's giving me the email ID also. Let's go asking about products, which is the base products. So I want to know about your pet health supplements. Also it works when the users typing the wrong spellings, so don't worry about that. Let's ask about prebiotics and probiotics products. So it's replying me after checking the whole website. So it's powered by AI ChatGPT model 4.0. So it's work for the all the inquiry. So let's go. It's giving me the products info. So it takes some time because it's checking your whole website and giving the best suggestions. Ask about best dog collars, so it's giving me the base suggestion for the same. So it also giving the size, price, inventory and link for the same. It's not giving the images because it only the text based model, so it's giving the text only. Work for all the industries. So let's go how to build. Right now I'm deactivating this one. This is our old workflow, and going to the personal tab and creating the brand new workflow. So right now we are working directly with the WhatsApp API, but if you like want to purchase another third party API for the WhatsApp, like you can purchase from the Twilio or from the other WhatsApp provider. But I am recommending you to use WhatsApp API. And if your account is like genuine, then it's giving approval within like 2-3 hours for the WhatsApp API case. So let's go. Right now I am like adding the first step. So our first action is WhatsApp Business Cloud, and on the messages, when the person send a message, then this our API will execute. Okay, so check here, this is our WhatsApp auth account. So right now I am uh, deleting this old client ID and API keys and creating the brand new credential here. So we want client ID. Go to the new tab and type Meta for developers. So it has the first option, Meta for developers, social technologies. Go to this option, and if you are not logged in this Facebook Meta account, so you have first need to log in with Facebook and make sure you have active Facebook account, and go to the my app section. And right now we have this old test admin app. So we need another brand new app. So click on create app and app name. Right now we are giving like n8n web ecom 1. So you have to put the name as you want. Go to next option, and our use case is select last option other. So select this one. Go to the next tab and select this first option business, because we are connecting this with our business, like for the e-commerce business or any other business. Go to the next tab and business portfolio. So if you have not any page connected with the Facebook account, so make sure to create temporary pages. So you can select from here and go to create a app button. So we are transferring to the app dashboard, and this is our app name, and click on the WhatsApp setup option. So this developer.facebook.com, like it not loading very fast, so you have some patience. So right now we have this WhatsApp. In the left side you can see WhatsApp API setup configuration partner solution. So go to the n8n, when we need client id and client secret. So go to this app section and go to the app setting and basic section. So we have already this app id, so you can click and copy from here and paste here. And we have client secret, so this is your secret id. So click on the show button and copy this one app secret and paste here and save button. So you can see our connection tested successfully, green mark means working perfectly. Back to the canvas again, we need another step which is a AI agent. This is the main step. So click on the plus tab and AI tab and AI agent. So right now select as default this prompt message. We will change it after some times. Okay, so right now we are adding our system like a AI agent brain. So click on add option and create and click on system message, and we have this all real message. So delete this one, and I provided the system message in the resources section in the description. Okay, so use it without any cost and paste here. This system message is for Shopify or e-commerce case, and if you have another businesses like a hospital or clinic, then comment in this video, I will share for that particular businesses. So and make sure to change the phone number and email id from this system message. So back to the canvas again, and we have chat model option. So select the OpenAI chat model. So I already connected OpenAI account. So create on the new credential, and it asking API keys. So go to new tab and type open OpenAI API. So we have this first option. Click here. I already signing here. I also provided OpenAI API dashboard link. So create a brand new account from that below link. So right now we have these three options. Go to dashboard section, and we have this another option. So go to API key section and create a new secret key. So it asking like a name. So I giving a WAP1 or as you want. So create a secret key. After copy that secret key and paste here. Okay, but I already have. So you can see it asking a model. So make sure select GPT 4.1 mini, because it's a mid-level text-based model, and it work for the all the cases. So back to the canvas again, and right now we are adding the memory. So click on that memory tab and simple memory. So our session id is defined below. I provided that key also. So copy that key and paste here. It's very easy. Okay, and make sure to select this window length as a 15, because it memorize last 10 or 15 messages which same user adding on that same WhatsApp agent. Okay, so make sure to add 10 or 15 at least. Back to the canvas again, and it's like a WhatsApp send message. Go to WhatsApp Business Cloud, go to send message tab. Okay, so we have this credential connected earlier, but you have to select like a new credential, and it's asking a access token and business account id. So go to Facebook Meta app dashboard and go to left side WhatsApp, and the third one API setup option. Click on this API setup, and right now we have this option. So we already have this business account id. So copy this one and paste here. If you have a brand new account and didn't create a test numbers, then click here and click on add phone number. So it has two options, like a test number and your custom phone number. So if you have like custom phone number, so make sure to put your custom phone number and use that. Right now I added the test number here and go to generate access token tab. So it opening a new pop-up and continue as your default account, and make sure select this test WhatsApp business account and continue and save and got it. So we have this access token, copy this one and go to n8n and paste here. So save button here. Now you can see connection tested successfully. Back to the canvas again, and you can see it asking this for missing details. So select this test number, it automatically available here. So select this one and recipient phone number. So type your company or your personal WhatsApp number. So I am typing my agency number, okay, and message type text, and the text body right now I am adding a like a perfect message. So back to the canvas again, so execute it's working or not. I am sending the hi message from my mobile phone on that test number, okay. So I am sending right now. So it waiting for the event. So it giving the no prompt specified error. So go to that AI agent and you see this error. So add define below source for prompt, and I am selecting that hi message here. Drag and drop this hi message and it's now working. So back to the canvas again. So execute this workflow again. It gone or not. I am sending hi message again, okay. So you can see this is working perfectly, and I have the perfect text body reply in my phone. So back to the canvas again, and right now I am adding the tool, okay. So click on that plus, and I am adding the Google Sheet here. You can add as per your database. I added the all data in my Google Sheet. So if you have a brand new account, then it asks like a create new credential and sign in with Google. It's a very basic task. Do that. I have already connected my Google account, so I am closing this. You have these two options, like a document and sheet. Selecting this sheet because this sheet contain all the orders data. So check this products for web. See that it contain all the products data like a handle, title, or even it contain the image URL. If you are don't know how to get this data within a few seconds, so follow this step. Go to your Shopify or any other e-commerce platform and go to product section and select all the products and export button. Select all products and export product section. So it's sending the email. I already have the data, so I added in this sheet by copy paste, okay. So go to n8n and we have this document and sheet number 1. In our case the sheet name is products export 1, so I am selecting this first as a products export 1. Click this one, okay, and back to the canvas again. So we have all the products data for this AI agent. But if users didn't like this AI agent reply, then it collect the name, email and phone. So I adding the another tool as a sheet. Okay, select Google Sheet, and I've already created the user data as a sheet name and the sheet number 1. So I'm giving you the example for the user data sheet. So this contain only 3 column: name, email and phone. Go to that n8n, and I already selected sheet 1 user data. Back to the canvas again. Okay, so we have these two sheet connected successfully, and I also want a very advanced level products or orders tracking. It's work like if you adding your Shopify directly with this agent. So I adding a Shopify tool, and I already have this Shopify account connected earlier. And if you don't know how to put this Shopify account directly, I already guided in that Instagram DM chatbot video. So click on that I button and follow this few steps how to put your Shopify in the n8n, selecting this Shopify access token. Okay, I guided you on that video very carefully, so make sure to follow that video and follow that step. That I am right now going to back to the canvas again. So you can see we have these 3 tools connected: one which is for the products query, and one which is for the collecting the name, email and phone. So you can see our full AI agent connected successfully. So I'm executing this workflow and testing in my phone it's working or not. I send the hi message, so you can see this full workflow working perfectly. Active button here and save, got it. But our send message is same as a perfect, but we want a AI agent reply. So go to here and select this AI agent as a output in a text body. So now our AI agent replying on that mobile number, on that phone number. So I am testing executing this workflow again in my phone, and I have the reply and it has the AI agent reply. So means our full AI agent worked successfully, and it is on the live mode. You can see it's active. And save this one and Facebook app dashboard and select as a live mode option. You can see it asking a privacy policy page. So go to this app setting as a basic. Okay, and it asking a privacy policy URL. So I already have this privacy policy URL in our agency website, so I am adding here as a privacy policy URL. You can put as your domain has privacy policy and don't have the privacy policy in your website, so make sure to create this page and put again here. Okay, so save, change this button and again click on that live button. Change the name like WhatsApp n8n agent. Okay, our full n8n workflow created for the WhatsApp, and it directly access the official Facebook WhatsApp API. I hope you like my this video, and if you have any other doubts, then you can directly comment in this video. I will guide you on the reply. Okay, if you want to build a custom AI automation for your business, then I provided my calendar link in the description. Book a small slot with me. I'm also providing a consultancy, so you can use that same calendar link and type like a consultancy related messages. Okay, all the prompt and resources in the description you can use without any charge, free of cost. So provided my n8n affiliate link. Make sure to use this link to support this channel. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.